Hey everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern from Modern Salon here. I'm with Nicole Khosh, who's the winner of the Matrix competition for holiday hair. One of the prizes was to come to the Water Street studio and do a photo shoot, and I'm grabbing you in between because you were doing something wonderful to model D, who's not a model, she's the fashion stylist. You said, look, I've got really flat hair, how do I make it look bigger? And Nicole said, let me help you out. So I said, let's just grab this for everybody. Is this a common thing with clients?
Oh my God, totally. Everyone, even if you don't have that much of a problem with having like limp hair, you always want volume. Like, who doesn't want volume and body in their hair? So basically, I am going to show you one tip that I like to use in my hair even. I'm using High Amplify hairspray by Matrix. It's super flexible. Won't make your hair sticky, crispy, anything like that. People are just so scared to use hairspray. This is just perfect for that. So what I actually like to do sometimes is just kind of spray it around the crown. You can even section out a piece, spray it in there. High Amplify is really light. It has an ultra-fine mist, so it's quick drying. It'll give you that really nice texture.
So they're kind of random sections, and you're taking large sections with elevation.
Yeah, totally. I like to actually kind of like rough it up, maybe mess it up a little bit, and then kind of smooth out whatever you need to afterwards. Yeah, totally. And everyone's kind of looking for like that lived-in texture right now. Kind of just work it in.
So would you use a curling iron or flat iron or blow dryer before or after you spray the hair?
Probably before, because putting in the spray afterwards will kind of like help lock in that curl too. And it has 8 hours of humidity protection, so it's almost like a shield when you put it on. So as soon as you go like that, it almost like holds. Especially if you kind of like throw in a
This is amazing. So turn this way a little bit, the other way, because we want to see the side of your head. Oh, totally.
Just by even messing it up like that, you can already see like how much body it has. So imagine if you had those curls in there already, and if you even want, you can kind of throw in a back comb with your comb.
Okay, so that's for the straight hair. So I want you to demo how you use it on yourself, because you have gentle wave. If you want to make it bigger, do it from this side. And thank you so much, Dee. You can go back to her duties. She's our fashion stylist today, so now that we've got her beautified. So tell us how you do this to yourself.
Okay, so what I would do, I would start off by taking just random sections. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just spray it in, and don't be scared to spray a lot of product in, because this stuff is not sticky at all. And right now I have just like some really, really loose waves, and this spray gives really nice texture again. If you don't have a salt spray laying around.
Don't do it this side. We'll show the difference. So just finish one side, and then we'll do it before and after.
Okay. So just spray it in. And I have a lot of hair, so I'm not worried about using a lot of product either, but you can even scrunch it a bit. I just love that messy texture, and kind of like you can already see like the waves are kind of actually like coming.
So it's all about mushing it in. So turn around and face the camera. Oh, that's so beautiful. I'm going to let you do the other side when we're done. We're done. You don't have to walk around with just one fabulous side. Oh, they're both fabulous. All right, so how do we follow you?
You can find me on Instagram. It's hair by NK. And all my work's on there.
And again, congratulations. And you did a beautiful, I saw your entry it was beautiful. So congratulations on that.
Thank you.
All right, thanks a lot. We'll see you. Thanks.
Right,
Bye.
Bye.